Alright, so I've had several people requesting me blow the horns. So I'm out here on the dock today and cleaned up everything. And go out here and make sure ain't no river traffic passing by at the remote. Of course, there's the horns, Kahlenberg T3s. No traffic that way. No traffic that way. So literally, I just hit the letter A on the button. Just give a little bump. But to really hear it, and we'll let loose on it. Here we go. That's it. They'll rock your fucking world. Air compressor's just kicked on.